Today we are going to prepare aloo-kothal or dalna or potato and jackfruit curry in Assamese style. Well, this is a recipe which is found in the spring season in almost every household of Assam, and every household hold their own recipe of this. That means you will find this recipe in variation in Assam. We will need a simple list of ingredients to prepare this dalna and a very simple way of cooking. It will need around 60 minutes to cook, but with a very simple and minimal ingredients. Let's prepare it by heating a skillet at first and adding half cup of oil into it, and then we have to add the whole garam masala spices, that is 1 piece of dalchini, 2 pieces of cloves and 2 pieces of elaichi into it. We also have to add 2 chilies into it, and then we have to add the onions and fry it for a while until it turns golden brown or reddish brown. After it's cooked, the onions, we have to add the jackfruit and the potatoes. And also into it, we have to add the ginger and garlic paste and also the masalas that we have kept. The masalas include turmeric powder, jeera powder, dhania powder, salt, and also chili powder. We have to stir it for a while, and then we have to add half a cup of water, and then we have to cover it and cook it for around 5 minutes. It is a very simple process to cook aloo-kothal or dalna. The only thing you need to do while cooking it is that you have to add half a cup of water each and every time. That is after each and every 5 minutes while cooking it. And then you have to do little of the stirring and then again put it under cover and then cook. So it will take around 5 to 7 rounds of this 5 minutes of cooking by adding half a cup of water, depending upon how fast your jackfruit and the potatoes get mushy or cooked, or simply soft and tender. When the vegetables will be 3/4 cooked, we have to add a cup of water into it to turn it into semi-thick gravy. Then only it will be known as dalna. Otherwise, it will be known as simply a curry which we have generally with rice. Let it simmer for around 5 minutes after you add the cup of water into it, and once it's cooked, remove the skillet from the flame and then add 2 tablespoons of ghee into it to taste more authentic, and also it will enhance the taste of the dalna. You can serve this dalna along with some simple Assamese style dal and bhat, and also with paratha or lusi. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe into my channel. Thanks for watching.